Welcome back, teachers. Here is the most important video which required in that online examination demo is a faculty sign up. When we created that online examination platform for you, for first step you have to do is create your faculty sign up. So how can you create a faculty sign up? So for that one, there is a two process we are using right now. This first one, so click on the faculty icon and click on the add faculty. I just add name of the faculty, password, whatever you want to write. I just put a number of this to a faculty and click on the add. When we click on the add, the number is not visible in the list of the faculty, right? In a extra field unverified, you can see that faculty will be here, but the verified in that one is the red font, right? Here is a checkbox. But this faculty has not selected any of that subject into that list, so that it is showing that not subscribed. For that one, you have to go for the login page. Whatever we have to put the number and what are the password we given into that login time. We click on our from this credential, we log into it. We click here, and whatever the subject of that faculty you have to select it, you have to add into that one and update. Click on the update. This is a one-time process, so you have to follow. Every faculty has to must to follow this step. When you select this faculty subject in our list, when we refresh, the subject faculty also be assign their subject, and when we click on that verify button, then student faculty subscription will activate. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to sign up all the faculty. There is another way also to sign up, like we have to go for that login page and sign up page. Here is a faculty sign up. You can put a first name, last name, password, mobile number, and then OTP verified hoga. Then you have to sign up complete. Then you have to select their subject and language, so just you will visible the subject faculty will be visible over there, and you have to click on the verified button. Okay, so this is a one-time process. Now all faculty must have to sign up first. This is the first step to start working this product, is to sign up all faculty member. Then we create a class, then we sign up the student, then online exam will be conducted, right? So this is the first step and must step, because without this step you cannot go further into that online exam module. So thank you for watching this video. We will go the next video and we create the class for that faculties, right? So thank you.